Yeah, you can come join me. Alright. Okay. Huh. I don't know. When did you talk to him? When did you talk to him? That was just a great answer. Alright, bye.
Did you ever put that on YouTube? Yeah, apparently one of my coworkers got in trouble because that was all he was doing, making weird videos and not doing his homework. So then his mom made him quit work.
Bitch ton of work.
Even though he only worked on weekends.
Yeah, I work on the weekends too.
Where do you work at?
Buster's?
Is that?
Buster's Barbecue?
Oh, okay. Never mind, I know where that is. You gotta say the whole name, otherwise people like me don't know things.
Okay, catching my feet. I thought I was catching my face.
Yeah, your head's getting cut off.
Huh?
Your head's getting cut off.
That's good. Oh, there's people.
So you ready for health today?
Pretty much.
More emotional crap.
It's much better when you're with people with you.
Yeah. I really didn't want to share that much yesterday, but for some reason I did. I felt compelled to.
I know, it's the power of the school.
It just like, I opened my mouth and it just like came out. It's like, thanks.
Should have said all that. Yeah. It's a very bad thing I did. Look over my life history. Head. A leg. Oh no.
Sorry, I'm not a very good hacky tosser either, apparently.
Hacky tosser?
No.
This one is just a little more full. Yeah, look. Nicer.
You should have been here like 2 days ago in the morning. They were playing hacky sack down there.
Yeah, I know, it was. I only participated for one round.
Why was that?
Huh?
Why was that? Do you not like to play hacky sack?
I like to destroy people. No, it's because they're playing right in the middle hallway. And everybody was starting to come.
That one lasted for a while.
Bill, would you like to play hacky sack? Oh, no. You gotta get this. See? Yeah.
He's videotaping himself.
Because I'm a freak. Yes. I took a picture of you yesterday, and this is how it turned out. He's trying to make fun of you? See this punk. This is how it turned out yesterday. So you play. Oh, that was a cool one. Can you zoom in on that? Fish? You won't get it out unless you roll out your sock. This is where everyone comes in.
Yeah, but see, not very many people come down the highway very early.
Oh, yeah?
There's only like a handful.
So, how are you?
Is that legal?
Come on, Jackie, just join in. Help me destroy it.
Sorry. On the ground. How about you?
Alexis is our entertainment this morning. You chose us for the first people. I might hit you in the head though, or in the leg. So you can- How do you have this much energy in the morning?
Because I have to work Saturday at 6:30 in the morning.
So you have to have energy to stay in the morning?
I have it every day.
I don't.
I'm not a very lazy person. Can be. What's the matter?
Got blueberries. I'm also grabbing blueberries.
I figured that I have a verbal invitation.
So I don't know when my dad's coming back, but he's leaving Monday at 4.
Well, I'll try.
You asked him. Because I forgot to.
Heads. Oh, you got it. What a good little hack we had going. Damn it.
Sorry, I'm not here.
No, that was perfect because I caught it in like my back pocket. Picked it up, but it didn't go up there. It's Galajillion. Oh, you brought me shoes? Can I play in those?
No, you can't play on.
Why not?
Oh, I'm excited for you though. I just sent out the pictures. It's really exciting actually. My hair is so done. You should see what my hair is so done. Cute. This is a different picture.
Damn purses. It was actually a very good kick.
Sadie gobbled up her chicken stars all the time. Yeah, she'll take for like 20.
Bullshit. Jillian.
It's not Kajillian, it's Gajillian.
Jillian.
It's actually Jillian, but whatever.
I like your skirt.
Yeah, I don't.
I like my skirt too. Thank you. Thank you. Shut up, man. I don't like you. No.
That's right, you listen.
She listened to a snap. How good is that? You ever trained?
I should whistle. Come. Oh no! Big fat egg on my way.
Unless he caught it in his shoe.
Oh no!
Which one was on his shoe?
Sorry.
No, you're not.
No.
Yeah.
Come on. Do it.
I'm not a very good toss.
Oh.
Like a baby throw.
Because I know you could get that. And then keep going. You have to practice. My ear issues.
What is this? This is how it turned out when I printed it. Put it on a card and put stars next to it. And hologram this.
I need to keep myself from cracking up when he shows you that. So I don't know if he's trying
Like,
to.
I also took a picture of you naked, and this is what looked like. Stick figure.
So I didn't know if he was trying to be serious or funny. Shouldn't have been friends with other issues. So I hope Chris actually gets to come before he leaves again.
What are you talking about?
Well, he's supposed to be coming on Tuesday, but then he's like leaving on Thursday or something. But he might be leaving on Tuesday, so then
What are you talking about? Who's Chris? Our dragon boat coach
Yeah.
or your cousin or something?
I'm drinking about coach. I don't care about my cousin.